trash, trash, trash.
They could have kept the exact same beat, but no, they didn't want to keep the same beat.
What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Chicken, back once again with another reaction video. This time I'm joined by a special guest, a very, very, very special guest, and that's my baby girl, my princess, my little girl, my daughter.
Yeah!
So we're gonna be doing a reaction to Lil Yachty. It's called Split/Whole Time. And I'm gonna be fully transparent here. I'm not the biggest fan of Lil Yachty. You know, I kind of think, you know, for the most part, he's pretty garbage. But I've heard some good stuff from him too. So I'm gonna give him a chance here. My daughter, she don't know who he is. She's not that familiar with him. I'm pretty sure she heard something from him, but she doesn't know who he is like that. So yeah, it should be cool, interesting, I guess. We'll see, right? Hopefully.
Hopefully
All right, let's get it. But before we get into that, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button and click on the notification bell and follow along on this journey as we rise. I'll put this right here. Can you see?
Yes, I can see.
All right, go.
Sipping a peach soda. The niggas inside, they gon' hide till the heat is over. I'ma ride till the beat is over. Tushing that bank, same price, my mink sofa. And I'm more like the king cobra.
I kind of already like it.
Me too. I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, it came in good. I like it. It came in smooth, nice little flow. And Lil Yachty, like I said, sometimes he be saying things and it just don't rhyme and it just don't go. It just be all over the place. But yeah, it came in smooth with it. I liked it.
Now that I heard it, I feel like I've heard a song from him.
A little
I Spy?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know that one.
Oh yeah, he was
That's
okay.
from him?
So yeah, that's the same guy.
Oh, okay, yes, I know that one. Maybe.
When Lil Yachty raps, he gets exposed, man, if he goes for too long. Like, you start to see the flaws, you start to see that he's not that strong of a rapper. But it still sounds good, though.
It's
like,
okay.
I like the way he came in.
It was good, then it got to fine. It's just fine now.
Yeah, it's just kind of like,
it's like,
okay.
Not good.
Yeah, I'm with you.
It's fine.
Yeah, I'm with you on that.
Sunday, I got them bitches coming on the runway.
Okay, I really like that part, honestly. I like that rapping to the crack to a rapping again. I like that.
Yeah, I like when they do little sound effects and things in there. I ain't got
It
a
got
problem
too
with it.
good again.
All right, let's keep
it
going.
got to fine. It's still fine.
Yeah. Too much like, hold this shit down. They gonna see it. You gonna see it, and now you see it.
Is this still on the same music video? I just
Well, it's two times videos because it's called
Look, I hate to get my song
Split/Whole Time. So this is probably Whole Time. All right, so we heard the beat switch up. We heard the beat change, and
that
it
beat
sounded
change
like.
was terrible.
And so I guess this is the second half of the song. I'm assuming, y'all can correct me if I'm wrong, that this is the whole time portion of the song. I think we know what you think. I think I'm on the same boat, but let's go ahead and keep it.
I hated that transition to that lower beat. It should have been at least a lower beat to a high beat at least. That would have sounded
Let's see if he could bring us in. Like, maybe he can do some harmonizing or something to just bring us in. Let's see.
I'm cracking this bitch like some software. I got a boyfriend on my crosshair. He talking down, for the sound. I like them biggest, I like them emeralds. Them shits look like an icy. Different in school, check out the IQ. I make more guap than the IT.
Hold on.
That was cool.
Yeah, I like that part. That was kind of Young Thug-esque, the way he did that part right there. But anyways, I like that. That was cool.
Swerving the whip of some drunk shit. I'm not a fighter at all, but I stomp his head when he done did.
Oh, let me
I think I heard a stutter.
I want to point out a bar he said, why they got red on their head, or like they support Trump and they got red on their hat. So, or something like that. Donald Trump having people wear those great Make America Great hats. You know, the red
Oh,
hats.
he said that? I wasn't
He didn't
paying
say
attention.
all that, but I'll rewind it back a little bit.
I'm a long nigga, run up on me, down like McCauley. My niggas got red on their head. Or red on their head on some Trump shit. I'm swerving the bourbon down Highland. Swerving the whip on some junk
You
shit.
said why niggas got red on their head or red on their hat like on some Trump stuff?
You took it way out of context.
That other
Yeah, they
editing,
gon' blow
like,
like syntax.
with that.
They look
Like
me
that
well some
part,
Germans.
basically.
Hold on.
Just tell my nigga his turn.
You know that part that just happened right there? Rewind it a little bit. I'll say with. It's a
Get a foot in my conscience. These bitches hang around for the content. You took it way out of context. My young ain't gon' blow like a syntax. They look me well
that
like some
part.
Germans.
You got hit in the head with a
My
ball.
nigga his turn up.
You did? I wasn't paying attention. Look, it was like breathe. Like that.
They look me well like some Germans. Just tell my nigga his turn up.
It said read. That's the part that no one's.
I'm a partner.
It's gone to a bad. I'm kidding. It's gone to an okay.
She don't like that. She not a fan of the ad libs. All right, let's keep it rolling.
Not at all.
Learn that.
Yes. It's two songs. It was two songs. It's two songs in one. It's split and then it's whole time. So whole time was more of just like rapping. Yeah. So yeah, it was only probably because if you split this up, this is only a 3 minute and 50 seconds long song. So if you split that up, I mean each song is like a minute and a half, 2 minutes. So they don't really have enough time to put it in the thing. I mean, honestly, he could be just being lazy. He had two songs that was like a minute and a half each. He was just like, I don't want to put a song out that's only a minute and a half, and just like put them together. Hey, who knows?
And that part made it bad because it sounds like it's making it to. Oh, but is it going to a different song? No.
No, that's a transition. All right, so we just finished
It got
the
to
video.
a bad. Not okay. Not fun. Not. Well,
Can I set it up first?
yes.
All right, so we just finished the video. We just finished watching it, and now I want to get your overall views and opinions on the video which you just saw.
So I liked the video, but the transition in the middle to the second song, I didn't really like that. And then, well, at the end they could have kept the same beat, so it changed it to a bad.
I like the way it started.
Me too. Yes, I really like this way it started.
Yeah.
Is that all?
I like the way it started. It started good. So, but no, for real though. No, I did like the way it started. That's the good thing I can say about it. The second beat, I don't know. I started to feel like they just put it together. They just like throw it together like two random songs. And Lil Yachty can't really rap that good, man. I ain't gonna lie. He's not good enough to just try to spit 2 minutes of rapping. So I don't know, man. No.
It was both songs probably would be a little better if they weren't together.
How about this? Trash or pass?
Trash.
Trash!
Or shall I?
So that's all the time we got, guys. Thanks for watching the video. If you guys enjoyed this reaction, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, share this with all your friends, leave a little comment in the comment section, let us know what you're thinking right now. What's on your brain right now at this moment? And I'll see you guys in the next one.
Bye, guys.